Most people think salt is just about flavor, but timing changes everything. Salt is not only seasoning, it is chemistry happening in real time. When you add salt too early, structure begins to shift immediately. Salt pulls moisture outward, changing surface texture and heat behavior. If this happens before browning starts, moisture interferes with caramelization. Wet surfaces slow reactions, and slow reactions weaken flavor development. Many home cooks salt vegetables long before cooking begins. They believe this builds flavor, but it often creates steam instead. That early moisture sits on the surface, blocking proper heat contact. Instead of crisp texture, you get softness and pale color. The same mistake happens with meat and protein. Salting too early without purpose draws water unnecessarily. Surface water must evaporate before browning can begin. If moisture keeps returning, that process keeps resetting. Professional kitchens treat salt differently depending on the goal. They decide whether they want moisture release or moisture retention. For roasting vegetables, salt is often added mid-cook. This allows surface drying before extraction begins. For meat, timing depends on thickness and cooking method. Short cooking methods need delayed seasoning. Long cooking methods can benefit from earlier salting. But even then, timing is calculated, not random. Another mistake is salting sauces at the wrong stage. Reducing liquid concentrates salt dramatically. If you salt fully before reduction, balance disappears later. The final result tastes aggressive instead of controlled. Salt also affects protein tightening under heat. Too much too early can change final texture. This is why identical recipes produce different results at home. Timing creates structural differences you cannot see directly. Salt is not a final sprinkle only. But it is not an automatic first step either. It must match the heat strategy you are using. It must match moisture behavior inside the ingredient. When you understand timing, results become predictable. You stop blaming ovens and start controlling variables. Try this once and notice the difference. Delay salt slightly during high heat roasting. Add it after surfaces begin drying. Observe how texture improves immediately. Then compare that to early heavy seasoning. You will see the structural difference clearly. Cooking improves when small decisions become intentional. Salt timing is one of those decisions. Flavor is not only about quantity. It is about when chemistry begins. Once you control that moment, your food stops feeling inconsistent, and that is where real improvement begins.